Hello everyone, my name is Kishore TSF. Today I am going to give a quick interpretation about the exploratory data analysis on the Indian Premier League dataset. My objective is to find the most successful team in the league and also to find the valuable player and factors contributing win or loss of a team. At first, we have to gather information about the dataset so that we are importing the models named pandas and numpy, and the dataset named deliveries.csv and matches.csv is loaded in the Python code, and the head and tail function returns the top 5 and the last 5 values present in the dataset. The next is the shape function, which returns the number of rows and number of columns present in the dataset. The info function gives the information about the dataset. It returns all the column values present in the dataset. Here you can see that the umpire 3 value is very less compared to the other values, so that we are removing that using the drop function. And next you can see that sort value function, which is used to sort the data set in an ascending manner. You can also do it in the descending also. So the next is the describe function. The describe function gives the statistical values about the data set. In the max we can see that the win by run margin is about 146 runs and the win by wicket margin is about 10 wickets. The next is to check the unique values present in each columns. For that we are using the for loop to loop over all the unique values present in the data set. Here you can see all the unique values present in the data set. The next important part is the data visualization. For that we are importing the required modules named the cbon and the matplotlib. The next we are going to group the data set by each season and each season winners. And the next we are going to see the most number of wins per season by a team. So likewise, Rajasthan Royals in 2008 has the most wins, followed by Delhi Daredevils in the next season. The SNS bar plot is used to give the interpretation about the data set. So here you can see that the Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings has the most number of wins per season. Next we are finding the most successful team. The most successful team with the maximum number of wins is the Mumbai Indians, followed by the Chennai Super Kings with 100 wins. Here you can see the interpretation about the most successful team. Mumbai Indians topped the list, followed by the Chennai Super Kings. Next we are finding the most valuable player by choosing the data set. Here the maximum number of man of the match won by Chris Gayle, followed by the AB de Villiers. He is the most successful player in the IPL history. The next is the factors considered while winning the toss. The number of times the team winning the toss have won is about 393 instances. The probability of winning toss is about 0.52%. Who wins, the chaser or the defender? The number of matches won by the defending team is about 350 and the number of matches won by the chasing team is about 419. Conclusion: Mumbai Indians is the most successful team. Chris Gayle has won the maximum number of player of the match. Suggestion: a company can choose the Mumbai Indians as the team for endorsing its products. Likewise, a company can choose Chris Gayle, AB de Villiers for endorsing his products. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to